on, you're going to have to go first, baby.
Watch out, Jen. You're in the frame.
Well, that's okay. I got to be here for a second. This is how we get them out.
There's got to be a gate. A couple wraps on it before we're doing it.
I got him. Come on, Come on, Elvis. Come on, Elvis. It's probably your only chance of getting me in the sheet. Okay, we're not going to lay in the mud. Come on. No, we're not. No, we're not.
You should have seen them yesterday. They just went.
What's up, buddy?
Elvis.
Elvis. Look at Sean. You better watch that.
This is the please God get it off of me, get it off of me, I'm dying, get it off of me dance.
Elvis. Why is it things named Elvis and me on the leash?
You want me to try?